I'm John LaRue. I'll be your host today. I'll be walking you through one of our tools. This tool is our cost per lead tool. Its purpose is to provide visibility into cost for a lead based on conversion rate set at different points, budget inputs, and so on. This tool is helpful from an overall feasibility perspective as you're scoping out campaigns, could be scoping out affiliate partners and things of that nature. Essentially, what it's doing is three different things. It'll just take a straight through approach and let you understand. Green is inputs here on a budget page visits. Let's say you have to get somebody to a form where they're filling out a lead capture form. Let's say you're quoting them on something and so on down the funnel. That's going to result overall into a cost per engagement. So I have all these cost per engagements really set to the same thing here so we can understand what's different about these three different modes of straight through, form conversion to a quotation, and then a page to form conversion. And the idea here in orange is to understand, okay, let's assume that I've got this $2,000 budget. I'm going to get 2,000 page visits. That page is going to convert to a form completion at 33%. Great. That gives me a $1 cost per visit. What does that look like for my cost per engagement? So let's say I can pay $23 for an engagement. Maybe that's a phone call in some sense. Maybe it's getting to some other toll gate that we really care about. Well, based on these inputs on this form conversion to quote, I know that I've got to get that form to convert at 13%. If I really care about holding this $23.31. Same thing on this page to form conversion down here. I know that based on this input that if I need to hold this cost per engagement, or it could even be a CPA at the end of the day, that this page to form conversion rate actually needs to be 33% at this point in the funnel. So you notice it's the same calc really. I'm just tinging this particular color orange so that it tells us if we were to change these inputs, how good does my conversion rate need to be for these scenarios. So let's say I actually decrease my page visits on this form conversion to quote scenario. You're going to notice that, hey, holding this cost equal, that I need to now get a 26% conversion rate on the form to the quote, and I'll do the same here. You'll notice that now I need to get this to convert at 66%. So super helpful tool just to run some scenarios based on what you think might happen based on an overall budget. Page visits is also going to spit out for you what your cost per visit, cost per click would be in those particular scenarios. So again, everything in green lets you just come in here and update this overall straight through one, lets you basically just calibrate everything to get to whatever numbers you might want to flex into the rest of the model. So let us know what you think in the comments. This has been super helpful for us and our clients just to easily have some conversations around feasibility.